Yes, the recording has been started. So today we are going to learn about how to create a WordPress blog. All right, and how to. So first, let's get started with registering a domain name. So what we will do is that first we will register a domain name. So today there is no presentations and there is no slides. I contacted some 10 people and I asked them which would be the best way to go about this, whether have some static slides or do it live on a screen, just demonstrate whatever I want to do. And 9 out of 10 people said that they wanted to have a live session. So that's what we are going to do today. I'm going to register a domain name right in front of you, and I'm going to host it, and I'm going to install a WordPress blog on it, choose a theme, and create an entire website from scratch. All right. So you are going to see right in front of you what I am doing, and what I would recommend that you do is that parallelly, I will give you time. Parallelly, you go and work on this so that you can create this by yourself. All right. So that you also, by the end of this session, you also have your own domain and have your own website for yourself. All right. So that's what we are going to do. It has been, the session has just started, so nothing to worry. You may not have missed anything at all. All right. So we need a domain name to create a website or a blog, right? So that is a given. And when we are talking about blogs, there are two types of blogs. We have free blogs at blogger.com, right? And we have free blogs at wordpress.com as well. So blogger.com and wordpress.com will help you create a website on your own. For example, if you just click on create a website, what they will help you do is that you can create a website something like yourname.wordpress.com. But if you have your own domain, they will also help you kind of host your blog on your own domain. But we are not going to talk about free hosting here because free hosting has its limitations. When it comes to free hosting, their terms of service says that you should not be using it for commercial purposes, right? Which means that you may not be able to monetize it, you may not be able to sell it one day. So lots of restrictions are there. So what we are going to do is that we are going to register a domain name and then we are going to go with wordpress.org, not wordpress.com. So we will be having a Q&A session, and in the Q&A session you can ask your questions. So right now we don't want a Q&A session right here. We are just getting started. So if you are having a free blog, it is possible to move it to a paid blog. But before that, just get comfortable with the paid blog scenario right now. We may not talk about how to migrate your blog right now in this session, but we will be completely focusing on how to create your own WordPress blog, right? So right now, I hope you have understood the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. And yes, I will be helping you create a website right now. So guys, if you have something to say apart from asking questions, please take the discussion later. So towards the end of this session, what we can do is that you guys can form a group on Facebook or on WhatsApp and then discuss among yourselves. But if you have anything to say, please don't share it in the group right here, right now, because please restrict it just to the questions, right? So, so some of you are asking, what is the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com? So WordPress.com will help you go ahead and create a blog, and it could be something like your name.wordpress.com. All right. WordPress.org is a place where you can download WordPress for yourself. And by downloading WordPress for yourself, you will be able to host it on your own domain name, your own custom domain name. So, how many of you here already have a domain name? Okay, most of you have a domain name. And if you don't have a domain name, what you can do is that go to Google, search for register.com, and once you search for something like that, you will get a GoDaddy result. And if you click on that GoDaddy result, you will be able to register a .com domain name just for 99 rupees plus some service fees, which would come to around 110 or 120 rupees. That's all. So those who have a domain name, do you already have a website in it, or is it available for is it available so that you can go ahead and um, create a WordPress blog on it? So if you have a domain name which is already having a website on it, ignore that domain name and go ahead and register a brand new domain name. So what I will do now is that I will go ahead and try to register a brand new name. So right now you can see that I am searching on GoDaddy. So some of you, I see that you already have bought a domain name. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and register this domain name digitalexample.com, or maybe we can come up with a better name. Guys, please mute yourself, and if you have questions, we will take it in the Q&A session. So we will go with sampleblog.com, sample-blog.com, and we will go ahead and register this name. Yes, I am repeating again. Recording of this session will be available for anyone who is wondering. So if you have any voice issues in the middle, please disconnect and reconnect. Made sure that there are no voice issues here. So this 99 rupees offer is only available for brand new customers. So what I will do is that I will just try searching for in a Google Incognito window. And those of you who do not have a domain name, please go ahead and register a domain name right now. You should be able to get it very quickly. So you can see that I just opened GoDaddy in an incognito window. In Google, I searched for GoDaddy register.com. So people who have not registered a domain name, please go ahead and register right now so that you can learn it live by doing. That's why I'm going a bit slow. So here you can see you can get a domain name just for 99 rupees, right? So this offer is for new customers. So I'm going ahead and registering this name. Here you just need to Pavan, I would recommend going ahead and registering a domain name because first thing, it's not really very costly. 100 rupees is a good place to start experimenting with. So I have gone incognito because GoDaddy allows 99 rupees name only for a new customer, not for an existing customer. Since I have logged in into other GoDaddy accounts previously, I am using an incognito window. And So, Gaurav, please refrain from providing additional information here. We are talking about just 99 rupees here, not 600 rupees. And I don't think there is any free domain name per se available. So let's go ahead and let me register this name, and then I will show you how to install a blog on it. All right. So those of you who are yet to register a domain name, go ahead and register it right now. You have 2 minutes to do this. Yes, Namecheap is also a good name, and you can go ahead with Namecheap as well. So we have quite a lot of people in this room today. So guys, please maintain decorum. So some of you want to register domain. So do you want me to wait until you register a domain name, or can we go ahead? So okay, so I will just go ahead. Give me a moment while I register this name so that I can show you how to install a domain name right here. Guys, we have enough time, so within 9 o'clock we will be concluding the session. So the recording session is also available.
Hello.
So guys, give me 2 minutes as I am registering this domain name because I really wanted to show this live to you. And once I register this name, you will be able to go ahead and sign up for a brand new hosting account. So I'm in the last step of registering my domain name. In another 1 minute, I would have registered this domain name sampleblog.com. Guys, please don't switch on your webcam and don't switch on your voice as well. So I have registered my domain name. Let me just switch back to my window. Give me 1 second. So I will be showing you inside my GoDaddy account. So here we are inside my GoDaddy account, and this is a temporary uh, it's a temporary account that I have created just for this domain name. So Anjali, the domain name will be costing you just 111 rupees, 99 rupees plus some service fee if you are opening a new account with GoDaddy. Or you can also check Big Rock or any other domain registrar where the first year of registration, whether it's a .com or .in, usually comes for very cheap. If you want to register a .in domain name, I would refer you crazydomains.in. So you can see that crazydomains.in here you have .in domains just for 125 rupees. And if you want a .com, you can go to GoDaddy and sign up just like I did now. So here inside my GoDaddy account, first it asked me to verify my email. Let me quickly verify my email. Just 1 second while I open my email account and check my mail. So guys, I am inside my GoDaddy account, and inside my GoDaddy account you can see that I have this domain registered, sampleblog.com, and this is the domain on which we are going to build a WordPress blog. So the first step, I think, is now clear for you how to register a domain name and where to register domain names. We have seen some of the examples here. So, guys, some of you were waiting to create a domain name. Have you created your domain name? Have you registered it? So if you have not registered it, you can go ahead and create one quickly on GoDaddy, just like I did now. You could see that it didn't take me more than 5 to 10 minutes, right? And now, second, we have to update the name servers. So how many of you have hosting accounts already? Do you have a web hosting account? All right, some of you have a hosting account and some of you don't have a hosting account. So whenever you purchase a new web hosting account, they will give you something called name servers, right? So name servers are nothing but servers which contains the IP address of the server. So these domain names have IP address of the server, and name servers are something that you need to update on your own blog so that you can go ahead and put it on your domain name. So here you can see that I clicked on manage inside my GoDaddy account, and while clicking on manage, here you can see that there is an option for name servers available. Are you able to see this? Are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see the name servers available here? Yes. So to edit these name servers, what I have to do is that I just have to click on manage, and here I have to click on custom, and here I have to enter the name servers of the hosting account from which I am purchasing web hosting from. All right, so that's what I have to do here, right? So when I'm doing that, what will happen is that this domain name will go ahead and point to the server where I have purchased a web hosting account. So how many of you are ready to buy hosting account right now and host your WordPress blog? Or do you just want to learn first and then do it later? Okay, you just want to learn first and do it later, not a problem, right? So what I will do is that I will purchase a hosting account at HostGator, and go ahead and sign up for a HostGator account. So here I will go ahead and choose the hatchling plan to sign up for. And here I have to select I already own this domain. So here in this example, I will be using HostGator, but you can use any host of your choice as well. So if you are going to sign up right now, what I will do is that I will share a link with you here on the chat box. You can go ahead and sign up from there for HostGator if you want. That's completely optional. So here I am going to enter my domain name, sample-blog.com, right? So I am going to enter my domain name here. HostGator is going to show me a lot of other choices which I can ignore. I just need sampleblog.com. I always recommend holding your domain name and hosting account separately. So I keep seeing a question, what is a hosting account? Web hosting account is nothing but you are renting a server on which you can host your websites. So HostGator will cost you around $10 a month for hosting your accounts, hosting your websites. For $11 a month, you will be able to host multiple websites. If you purchase in advance, you will be getting some 30% discount as well, and that's completely optional. So here we are going to just have a demo on HostGator. So I will show you how to install the blog on HostGator. So here what I will do is that I will just go ahead and sign up for 1 month. Username will be sample blog. Security pin, I'll just put some security pin here. And I'm going to enter my billing info and address here to sign up. So give me 1 second while I just change the screen. And once I finish this, I will get back to the screen. So I see a lot of questions asking which is the best server. That is something that you have to Google yourself. Everybody has their own opinion about which is the best server. So I will not really get into it right now. So just give me a moment, guys, while I complete signing up for the HostGator account. And once I am done signing up, we can go ahead and see a live installation of the WordPress blog. So some of you are asking what is the difference between server, domain, and hosting. So domain name is basically just like the phone number, right? It's like a unique domain name that you purchase. Domain name is like the real estate land that you purchase. Hosting is something which is a server. You are renting a server on which you are depositing your files, and you are linking your domain name with the server so that whenever someone searches for this tries to open this particular domain name on a browser, what happens is that the files from the web server loads here. So here you can see I have completed signing up for a HostGator account. Vikrant, I would request you please have this discussion towards the end of this presentation. Let's just focus on WordPress installation right now. So you can see that I have signed up for the HostGator account, and I'm waiting for an email from HostGator which will send some details about my hosting account. Let's check if that has come. So it usually takes 1 or 2 minutes for them to send an info with all the account information, and usually the account information will contain the name servers. And as we have discussed before, the name servers is the place where we have to go ahead and update it on the domain name, right? So let me switch back to my email account. So here we are, and here we are waiting for the account info email from HostGator. So once the account info email comes, we have to go ahead and update the name servers here right now. And once that is done, the domain name and web hosting account will get connected. The procedure for updating the name servers will be similar in most of the domain name systems. In GoDaddy, this is where we update the name servers. Also, whenever you sign up for a hosting account, even if it is something other than HostGator, you will see that there is a mail which the hosting company will send, which will have the name servers in it. You just have to update the name servers on your domain name so that your domain name and hosting account get connected. If you have any questions, you can ask right now. We will have a short Q&A session before proceeding further while we are waiting for the account info email from HostGator. So Krishna, you are asking, is owning a hosting account same as renting a hosting server for website hosting? Yes, Krishna. So if you want to have your own website server, it's going to cost a lot of money. You need to have 24/7 reliable internet connection, backup power, and all the hardware. But instead, you are going to purchase a hosting account, means you are actually renting a hosting account. Ginny, I completely agree. We have a lot of people here, and it's little bit getting out of hand. Guys, please focus questions only on WordPress and creating a blog with WordPress. Um, I've got a lot of questions about HTML and SEO, and which is beyond the scope of this particular session. Pallavi, yes, hosting account can be just created once, not a problem. Abhishek, name server is not provided by GoDaddy. Name servers will be provided by our hosting account. So, Apeksha, you are asking about security options. Right now, you need not worry about security options. For basic bloggers and WordPress blogs, SSL security is not needed. So, guys, did you notice the screen? What do we have here? So, we have new account info which has been sent by HostGator. So that's great. So what I will quickly do is that I will just open this. Here you can see we have this new account info, and here we have this name servers. So what I will do is that I will select these name servers and update it on uh, GoDaddy here. So usually name servers are consecutive names, NS8513 and NS8514. Just clicking OK here and clicking on save. So this name servers will take another 2 minutes to update, and once it gets updated, the domain name and hosting accounts gets connected. And once they both get connected, we will be able to log in into our hosting account and set up our WordPress blog. So every hosting account sends us two name servers. So if I want to summarize the session so far, it's just about registering a domain name and purchasing hosting. And if the hosting account sends the name servers, we just need to update it on the domain name. That's all. Usually, all the domain hosting accounts send us two name servers called first name server and second name server. Basically, it's for redundancy, and both of them point to the same IP address. So I guess that's it for the questions right now. So what we will do is that we will have a look at our domain status. So if you go to intodns.com and if you search for your domain name, what you will see here is you will be able to see if the name servers of the domain name got updated. We just updated it. So yes, they got updated. Here you can see that the name servers got updated. NS8513 and NS8514.hostgator.com is what I have given in here in my domain control panel, which means that now the domain and the hosting account got connected with each other. So let us check if it has really got connected. So not yet. So what we will do is that we will go ahead and install the blog. So every hosting account will give you a cPanel. So Neha, I connected it by providing the name servers. The hosting account gives me the name server and I updated the name server on the domain and they both get connected. So I will enter the username and the password here in the control panel login. And once I do this, I'm able to log in into the control panel. So guys, if you have any questions so far, please go through the recording again. If you follow it step by step that I have followed here, you should be able to create your own WordPress website without any problems. So this cPanel link was given to be by HostGator, right? So when HostGator sent me a welcome email, they sent me a login to the cPanel. cPanel is also usually accessible by going to domain.com, your domain name.com/cpanel. But right now I see that this particular blog, yes. So here you can see this has also got redirected to the cPanel, right? So this is our server Gator 4257 is where we are hosted. And so here we are in the cPanel. So HostGator, we have two HostGator companies. One is HostGator.in and HostGator.com. I have registered the hosting account at hostgator.com. So here inside cPanel, you will have something called quick install. If you scroll down and see here, we have quick install. You can also search for quick install here and it will show up. There is something called software and services. So there are two ways to install WordPress. You can either go to wordpress.org and download the WordPress files, and after downloading the WordPress files you can install it on your own server, or you can use quick install. Many WordPress blogs come with quick install. For installing WordPress blog manually, I will share an article with you which has step-by-step instructions on how to install WordPress blog manually. So I am sharing it in the chat window. It has a lot of steps, and you need to do a lot of tinkering with the file manager and the MySQL databases. But what we will do is that we will just go with the quick install option. So I have clicked quick install, and inside we have WordPress here. Just click on install WordPress, and here we are going to give our home domain name. We are going to give the admin email, and here let us say sample blog. So admin user would be, let's say, myself, first name, last name. So you just need to do all these steps, and you just need to click on install WordPress. And once you click on install WordPress, automatically the WordPress blog will get installed immediately. So let's check if we have got a mail regarding the installation. So you can see that the WordPress blog has been installed, and I have got a mail as well that the installation has been completed. So here, just give me 1 second while I log in. So every WordPress blog, to log in into the admin area, you just have to go into the domain name, put slash, click on wp-admin, type on wp-admin and log in into it. So here you just need to enter the username and password. So username was Deepak, password is what I gave there, or they create a password for you and send it to you. And now we are logging into our WordPress dashboard. So far so good. We have registered a domain name, we have purchased hosting, we have updated name servers and connected the domain name and hosting account. And inside the hosting cPanel, from the link that we got from our HostGator account, we have logged in, and using quick install we have installed WordPress. And now we have logged in into WordPress and we are inside the WordPress dashboard. So until then, do you have any questions? So I have shown you right in front of you using a screen recording how to go ahead and install a WordPress blog. And I honestly say that right now the steps cannot be simpler than this. But I'm sure that since this was a live presentation, some of you may have missed what has happened. So I would recommend going over the recording again, which will be sent to you. Pause at each step and go through the steps on how to register a domain name by hosting, how to update name servers, all the steps. And if you replicate it step by step, you should be able to go ahead and install WordPress easily. So Naveen, I showed you right in front of you. I logged in into HostGator cPanel. Inside HostGator cPanel, I had quick install available, and inside quick install, I just clicked on WordPress and clicked install WordPress. So next step, we will be learning how to create a theme for your WordPress blog, how to make your WordPress blog unique, how to create content for your blog. So that will be the next step. But until then, we will just go ahead and clear some of the questions that we have. Some of the people are complaining that it is too complex. So can you tell me in the chat window that have you understood the steps so far, and has it been easy understanding how to create domain, how to purchase web hosting, and how to install WordPress? So we have mixed reactions in the chat window. So many of you have said it's okay. I think the answers are a little bit confusing. So please just type whether you have understood or not understood. If you have understood, please say yes. If you have not understood, please say no. Okay, I see majority yes and a little bit of no's. Guys, I understand that it could have been a little bit overwhelming for you because it's the first time you may be seeing something like this, but I recommend you go ahead and play the recording again step by step. Please see the steps I have followed for registering a domain, buying hosting, updating name servers, and installing WordPress, and you should be able to replicate it by yourself very easily without any issue. So we will take more questions after a while. Now I will go ahead and choose a theme for this blog. So now that we are inside the WordPress dashboard, I just need to go inside appearance, click on themes. And inside themes, I just need to click on add new to search for themes inside the WordPress repository. So here we will have plenty of themes. There are also premium WordPress themes available. So if you search for premium WordPress themes, you will see that there are plenty of themes available. You can buy a premium WordPress theme as well and download it and upload it here directly. Or for now, we will just go with a free theme. You can choose any theme from here. We have different categories: featured, popular, latest. Let us say this theme looks pretty good for a blog. We will click on install. I just need to click on activate it. And once activated, I can see and check my blog whether it's activated. And yes, it has been activated. So guys, please go ahead and check this domain name, sampleblog.com. You will be able to open the website and see that this particular theme has been installed. Can you please go ahead and check whether it's opening for you and whether you are able to see this particular theme? Great. So most of you have checked it and you can see that it is opening, and you can see that The blog has been created. Before we started this presentation, this particular domain name did not exist. This particular website did not exist. And now it exists, right? Now everybody is able to open it, and now you will be able to open it on mobile as well. It's available for the whole world. So now we will see how to actually go ahead and make a fresh new post on the WordPress blog. So what shall we post here? I don't know. Maybe we can post some comments from you guys, just telling that whether this webinar was useful or some comments about this particular webinar. So just write one sentence in the chat window about how you found this particular webinar useful, and we can go ahead and post it here. Please write a one full sentence instead of one word so that we actually have some content to write here. Please write it like a testimonial or like a comment. So here you can see that I'm just saying responses to webinar on December 2nd. So those of you who have not attended the live webinar can still see and open this website. So thanks a lot, Pavan. I like big comments. So I will also put the name of the commenter here. So lots of positive comments, really great to hear such comments. The session is not ending, Neha. We have a lot to cover. So we are just exploring how to go ahead and create a new post. So that's it. We will have 7 comments here for now. I think other comments we can do it later. So I have made a new post, and let's add an image as well. So you will learn how to add an image. I will just search for an image here. Let's just put a thumbs up icon. So Krishna, you are asking whether it is required to create a website or layout structure. No, it is not required right now because the theme takes care of it. The WordPress theme takes care of it. So here we are. So what we need to do is that if you need to add media, you just need to click on add media. From your desktop, you need to drag a particular image into your add media area. And here you can select the alignment as right or center, whatever you want. and just click on insert to post. And now this has been inserted into the post. It's as simple as that, inserting images. And now I can click on save. Vipin, if you want to edit the HTML of the website, you just need to go to the text area, and here you will be able to edit the HTML. But if you want to edit the theme itself, you can do it inside appearance themes and the theme editor. You can hack the theme to your own customized needs if you want. We can also add a category here and click on add new category, and we have testimonials as a category here. And here you can edit the URL if you want. If I click on edit, so let's say I just need to say it as responses to WordPress webinar and remove the date. Click on OK. So this is the URL here, and I just need to click on publish. And now we have published the post. This post is available for the whole world to see. So I will share the URL of this post right here. And now guys, you can go ahead and check the post. The post is live for the whole world to see. Can you see the post? Can you please confirm? So now this is live, and it's as simple as that, creating a new page. So once we click on the home page, in the home page also we will be able to see the same post, but here we will be able to see only a excerpt of the post. So to see the full post, we just need to click on here. So guys, 1 second. All right. So now we have created the post. So the archive of October 2015 is just the default post. We can go ahead and delete that post. So here we will just trash it. And now the first page is ready on the website. And now we can change the theme if we want. So don't think that the theme can be set only in the beginning. The theme can be changed even in the middle. So you can put any theme at any time. So let us install this particular theme. So Pavan, most of the WordPress themes are skewed towards blogging formats, but if you want to hack the theme to make it look like a proper corporate website, you can do that as well. So now we have just selected another theme, and now if we go to the website, you can see that the theme has completely changed. Now go ahead and check out the website. You can see a new theme there, right? So new theme is available now. Now we will see if it is possible to enable comments on the site. So I will remove this option which says users must be registered and logged in to comment, and I will update. So now comments have been enabled on the site. Let me just check once more. So I will just select allow people to post comments on new articles. And Prasad, I will be covering Google Analytics code insertion as well. Give me a moment. Just trying to figure out why the comments are not enabled here. So usually comments are enabled for WordPress blogs, but right now we don't see the option to comment on the blog. Let's check one last time and then we will figure it out later. So each post individually has an option to enable or disable comments. Let us see if it is switched off there. Yes, so here we have to select on allow comments, and once it is updated, usually once you set it in the settings, all the future blog posts will be enabled for comments. So let us check if comments are available. Yes, now comment box is available. Guys, please go ahead and leave a comment on this article. You could so those of you who did not have a chance to leave your responses right here, please go ahead and leave a comment on that article. And now we will check how comment system works, and we will check how we approve the comments. Please let me know once you have left a comment there. Yes, awesome. So we have got the first comment. So once people start leaving comments, if you go inside your WordPress dashboard and if you go into the comment section, you will be able to see comments appearing. So Pavan, thank you for leaving the comment. Now this comment is awaiting approval and I have to click on approve to get the comment approved. And once the comment is approved, you can go ahead and check on the website. You can see that Pavan's comment has appeared here. So that is how comment system work on WordPress. Sayed, yes, you can do that. You can take any theme, edit it, and later you can connect a domain to it. So we can see 7 comments here, and we can approve it one by one, or we can bulk approve it as well. Yes, Ginny, we will have a deep dive into customizations and plugins as well. Sorry for the delays. Fantastic, fantastic, positive responses. Really happy. So once in a while, this could happen. The page may not load. So let's activate the old theme back, and now we have the same old theme again, and we have the comments as well. All right, so now I hope by now you are comfortable with the basic layout of WordPress, and you know how to configure the comments, you know how to select the theme. Now we will move on into plugins. So WordPress repository, the WordPress directory has thousands and thousands of themes. I mean, thousands of plugins. Yes, themes as well, which will help you make enhance your WordPress blog, right? So I see some HostGator plugin here, which I will deactivate here. So any specific questions so far before we move on into plugins? Kunal, traffic, getting traffic is something we will discuss later. Deepak, I'm not sure. Yes, there should be an option to approve comments by default. So if you go into settings discussion, here you will be able to select the option which where you restrict approval of the comments. Prasad, if you buy separate premium themes, what you have to do is that you have to go into appearance themes, and inside themes you will be able to click on add new, and if you want to upload a theme you can upload a theme as well. You just need to upload the premium theme that you have purchased and it will start working. Yeah, Kunal, thanks for pointing it out before a comment appears. Syed, just upload the theme directly, upload the zip file here directly by clicking on upload theme, and your theme should be uploaded. Abhishek, I do not understand your questions. Themes in a blinking way, I really don't understand it. So Prasad, if you make a website on WordPress.com, the options are very limited. You will be able to host it for free only, and you will not be able to use it for commercial use. You will not be able to use all the plugins that is available here, and you cannot customize your website as you want. Yes, even if you have the domain name. All right, so now we will move on into plugins. So right now you can see that this particular website sampleblog.com is not indexed in the search engines. We will see if it is possible to get it indexed on the search engines also right now. So right now this search engine, it's not, search engines are not picking up our blog. Yes, we have time until 10 to conclude this session. Just making sure all the questions are answered. So by the way, how many of you want to know how to change this small icon here? Do you want to know how to change this icon here? Okay, we will cover that as well. So this particular small icon here is called favicon. If you search for favicon, you will get plenty of results. You can either go ahead and create your own favicon by going to favicon generator at favicon.cc. Charu, what you are experiencing is a very specific error. I will help you clear that error after the session. Unless I actually see your website and log in into your website, I will not be able to know what problem it is. So we will postpone it. So guys, if you want to have a custom favicon, what you need to do is that let's say I'm going ahead and trying to download a favicon. Not sure if this is a favicon file, but let's check anyway. Sometimes you may not get a favicon file directly, so you may only get a PNG file. So whatever image that you want to get, just save your image, or get your designer to design the image. So what I will do is that I will go and generate a favicon using favicon.ico generator. Click on import image. So you can put whatever image that you want. Make it a square one. Okay, it's not selecting the file. Let's check again. So now we got this favicon, and once we got this favicon, all we need to do is download it, and you will get a favicon.ico file. You need to upload it in the root folder of your hosting account. So this got logged out. We will log in again. So inside your hosting account, you will have a file manager, and inside the file manager, you have to upload the favicon.ico file in the root folder. So this is the file manager. Just click on file manager, click on go, and here you will be able to see that HostGator has already uploaded their favicon.ico file, and that's why HostGator's icon is showing right here. So here you can see favicon.ico file. Just go ahead and delete the existing file by right clicking delete file, and then click on upload. Choose the file, and once you upload the file directly into the root folder, you will be able to see this blog has an updated favicon file. So sometimes it won't appear. You just need to click on hard refresh, because the favicon file gets cached. So now it has got updated. Clicked on hard refresh, and now you can see that this particular image got updated. So if you want to see this image on your browser, just visit this particular URL, click on Command or Control F5, whether you are in a Mac or if you are in a Mac, press on Command Shift R to make a hard refresh. If you are on a Windows, click on Control F5 or Control R to make a hard refresh. And you will be able to see that this particular small icon on the browser gets updated. Right, so once it gets updated, all the pages will get updated with it. So that's how you change the favicon. Now that we have learned how to change the favicon, let's go ahead and check some of the plugins available. So if you want to install Google Analytics for your blog, just go to plugins, click on add new and search for Google Analytics. So there are lots of different Google Analytics plugins are available. You can install any one of them, and after that you need to go to Google Analytics and create a Google Analytics account. And once you create Google Analytics account, they will give you a Google Analytics code. So let me just install this particular plugin. Let's see how it works. So once you install a plugin, usually it will be available inside the settings. So now I can go inside settings and click on Google Analytics. And here there is something called a web property ID. I just need to enter the web property ID here, and Google Analytics will start tracking all the visits on this blog. All right, so that's how you make Google Analytics work. There is another important plugin for SEO. It's called Yoast. Again, you need to click on plugin, add new, and inside plugin, add new, click on just search for Yoast plugin, Yoast SEO, and click install now. And once you click on install now, you can return. It got installed. Not sure it got installed. Let me check again. So we just need to activate Yoast SEO. It got installed but did not get activated. Now we are activating it. And here you will be able to configure SEO options, and Yoast also has an inbuilt option for selecting Google Analytics code as well. And here you will also be able to add Google Webmaster Tools to your account. So for Google Webmaster Tools, I will share some of the articles. We do not have time to go over all the options right now. So you can read this article to learn more about Google Webmaster Tools. So Yoast SEO, you can browse around all the options. You can link many things. You can configure SEO, and you can also build a sitemap. Sitemap is a sitemap is a URL on your website, a page which has all the links to your existing web pages. It's not loading right now. We will figure it out later. So how many of you would like to see the website get indexed on Google right now? So we saw that this website is not indexed on Google, right? And we will see if we can get it indexed on Google right now. So right now you can see that it's not indexed on Google. Go ahead and just enter this into Google and you will be able to see that it's not indexed. So I don't know why Yoast sitemap is not working right now. So instead what I will do is that I will install another plugin and try to create a XML sitemap. So sitemap is a page with links to all the pages on your website, and you need to submit sitemap to the search engine so that the search engines know what are all the pages on your website. So there is a plugin called Google XML Sitemaps. So yes, right now it's not indexed on Google, and we will see how to get it indexed. So that's what we are doing it. Prasad, there is no need to edit the sitemap. You should not be editing a sitemap because sitemap will have by default all the links, and there is no need to edit it. So we generated the sitemap index file. You can check this particular file. It's called sitemap.xml. So that is sampleblog.com/sitemap.xml. And let's see if we can get it indexed by adding it to Google Webmaster Tools. So we are back here. Let us check the blog. So now we will have a look at Google Webmaster Tools, and Google Webmaster Tools is from where we will get the site indexed. So I am adding a property, that is sampleblog.com. Click on continue. And now I am being asked to download this HTML verification file. Just a quick check, is everybody is following me here? We are now configuring Google Webmaster Tools for the blog. This is one of the most important steps, and this is all about SEO. So SEO is very important, obviously. So here, once I'm inside Google Webmaster Tools, so if you are not sure about how to get here, you just need to go to Google, search for Google Webmaster Tools, and you can log in using your Google account here. So if you are already logged in into your Google account, if you just click on it, it will automatically open here. All right, so that's what we are setting it up. To verify that you own the website, you just need to click on this particular HTML verification mail and get it downloaded. And now you have to upload it on your file manager. Again, we go back to file manager and we have to upload it on the root folder. So I am now uploading my HTML verification file from Google Webmaster Tools. Give me a sec. So here I am uh, going to desktop, selecting the HTML file and uploading it. And it has been now uploaded back to Google Webmaster Tools. I am going to this particular URL and see if the HTML file has been uploaded. Yes, it has been uploaded. Now I am going to click on verify. And once I have clicked on verify, you can see that now my website has been verified with Google Webmaster Tools. So there are multiple options such as DNS, TXT entry, entering a meta tag, but I use the HTML verification file system method to verify my website. So Kapoor, please follow the recording. In the recording, you will be able to see the steps I followed. I just logged in, added my website, downloaded a HTML file. I uploaded it to my hosting account inside cPanel, and here I am clicking continue, and now my site has been added. Kapoor, you just need to, I'm just going over this quickly again for those who did not follow. Go and search Google Webmaster Tools, click on add a property, and here you will be able to add your new site. All right. All right, Kapoor, Natasha. Hope that has been clarified for you. So guys, now we have added the website. So what we will do is that we will go into messages. We have some messages from Google Webmaster Tools about our site. So we can choose a target country. We can set the preferred version, whether it's www dot or not. So this is not something we need to do it urgently. So here to get the site indexed, let's go back to Google, and here you can see our site has not been indexed yet, right? Now what we will do is that we will go on fetch as Google. If you click on fetch as Google, what you are doing is that you are inviting Google robot to come to your website and check your blog. So now I am clicking fetch. It has fetched my site, and now I am clicking on submit to index, and I am clicking on crawl this URL and its direct links. Now it says that URL and linked pages has been submitted to index. Now within a minute or two, our pages should start appearing on the search engines. So go ahead and search for site sample blog. So I will show you what fetch and render is about. If you click on fetch and render, it will fetch the site, but it will also render it, in the sense it will also check the visual image of the site. So if you click on it, you will be able to see the site's picture itself. Great. So let us check this again. Yes, now the site has got indexed, but however our article inside it has not got indexed. What we can do is that we can submit that article also separately. Let me select this. Let me go back to search console, click on fetch as Google. Now here I just need to enter the URL of the page, not the entire URL. Click on fetch and render. Okay, so I did a mistake here. And shouldn't put this slash. Okay, click on fetch and render. So if you enter the wrong URL, it will get redirected. So here you can see there was an extra slash. That's why it says it got redirected. So again, I am submitting this to index, and also you can see it has been fetched. So you can see this has been fetched. So usually you need not do it for every page of your site. Usually it will get indexed automatically within a few hours. Sometimes when the site is very big and a very important site, new pages will get indexed within minutes. But when you are starting a new site, if you are publishing one or two pages every week, then it is best to go ahead and do this process manually so that it gets indexed immediately. Krishna, if you don't have access to control panel, there are other methods of verifying that you are the owner of the domain name. So inside Webmaster Tools, you will be able to see that there are several options to get it verified. So sometimes it takes time, guys. So right now we don't see our another inside page getting indexed, but within 5 or 10 minutes it will get indexed. So now that we have configured Webmaster Tools and we have made sure that our website is available in the search engine as well. So that is Google Webmasters Tools for you, and I hope that was interesting getting our site indexed live right in front of you. So let's go back to our dashboard. Now there are several plugins you can install. There is a plugin called Sumo Me which helps you collect email subscribers on your site. And if you search for top 10 plugins for WordPress, top 10 free plugins, top 10 paid plugins, and things like that, you will be able to see plenty of posts by many bloggers. Read some of the posts and learn which plugins to install and start experimenting with installing different plugins. So, all right, so we are pretty much done with today's webinar. I hope it was very interesting for you to learn how to install a WordPress blog. So what we will do now is that we will wind up the session, and any more questions, any important questions? So those of you say who say that you are not able to understand or anything like that, please go ahead and review the webinar again. If you have any new questions, you can ask it right now. So Sayed, you are asking about settings for robots. Um, robots.txt file informs the search engine whether to index a page or not. So I will give you the feedback link. You can please share the feedback of this session here. So while I go over the questions and answer the questions, please go ahead and leave your feedback. Prasad, yes, it is possible to remove pages from Google Index. You should learn more about Webmaster Tools. There are options for that. You can block the search engines from indexing your site using robots.txt. It is available within Yoast plugin as well. There is a simple option called no index. You just need to select on no index and that page will not get indexed. Krishna, there are plugins. There is a plugin called Akismet. You would have seen Akismet inside the blog, and Akismet helps prevent spam comments. So I will just quickly show you. You need an API key for activating Akismet. So if you go inside plugins, you are able to see that there's a plugin called Akismet. If you activate it, spam comments will not come. Reka, right now this video is not uploaded on YouTube. Yes, Krishna, go and sign up for a WordPress account to get the API key. So Kunal, you are asking, sometimes it will show as partial, you just need to do it again, then it will show as full. I have faced the errors myself. So Abhishek, if you want to add testimonials to your website, there are plugins for rating and reviews as well. You can test with some of the plugins. I don't know what exact plugin Digital Vidya uses. Ricky, if it is getting redirected, then your URL is wrong. Please verify the URL again. Reka, this process, what process? YouTube link of what process? This process means the entire webinar of installing WordPress. So Abhishek, difference between page and a post is that the post is appearing on the homepage of the WordPress blog, and it is in a chronological order. Pages is something like about us, contact us. You just create separate pages on your site as well. Pavan, if you want to use Joomla, you can use, but I cannot really comment on it because I have not used Joomla. I have always used WordPress. Uh, Bharti, you are asking, is it necessary to purchase domain and hosting? I would recommend that you purchase domain and hosting, or what you can do, you can purchase a hosting account where you can host multiple websites and two or three friends can join and use that hosting account to host your blogs. Unless you go with a paid domain and hosting account, you will not be able to experiment with all these tools. Yes, Pavan, definitely WordPress is more flexible with plugins and definitely has a lot of plugins. Prasad, sometimes it gets indexed immediately, sometimes it takes time, it's completely normal. Let me go ahead and check again if my page got indexed. Yes. Now you can see that this particular page also got indexed on Google. And if I search for this particular keyword on Google with exact phrase match, let us see if it comes up. Sometimes it takes time. Yes, it comes up. So guys, go ahead and search for this particular search phrase on Google. You will be able to see that our website comes up. Pallavi, what I will do is that I will just show you the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. I already told you that .com is free, .org is open source where you create a self-hosted blog. So whoever has questions about WordPress.com and WordPress.org, please read some of the articles on this page. We know, please Google it. It's a lengthy process to migrate. Can't cover it right now. Charu, connecting domain ID to Gmail ID, yes, it can be done. You need to set up MX records for that. And also, it's a long topic, cannot be covered right now. Abhishek, you need to figure out what is the problem with your contact form plugin. Completely depends on your plugin. Charu, please search for how to set up MX records on Google. Right now, it's a lengthy process, can't write it out here. MX records is what you need to use if you need to connect your domain to Gmail. You need to sign up for a Google Apps account and it will cost you 150 rupees per user per month to use that. All right, guys, looks like we are pretty much done with the questions and have shared the feedback link with you. Please share your feedback for this session. I will share it with you again. So this is the feedback link. Please share your feedback here. So you can join this Facebook group and ask me further questions if you want to get connected to me. All right, guys, thank you. Thank you for attending today's webinar. Hope you had a good time learning how to install WordPress. So I will wind up the session now, and my email ID is mail@digitaldeepak.com, and my blog is digitaldeepak.com, as you many of you already know. So subscribe to my blog, read my articles, and if you have any questions regarding WordPress and blogging, you can send an email to me. Connect with me on Facebook as well if you want. So thanks for making it on a weekday evening, and have a good night and all the best. And go ahead and create your own website using WordPress. Chalo guys, bye bye, and I will log off now.